10 Best Practices. Optimizing Machine Shop Scheduling with Advanced Planning and Scheduling. In machine shop scheduling, advanced planning and scheduling is the game changer. It's not just about schedules, it's about optimizing resources, reducing lead times, and making smarter decisions. APS can lead to efficiency gains ranging from 20% to 50% or more in machine shop scheduling. Let's delve into the heart of efficiency, the 10 best practices for machine shop scheduling with APS. Seamless connection with resource management systems. High-level planning logic integration. Automatic prioritization and what-if scenarios. Clear visual language. Multidimensional outlook. Proactive support of planning activities. Delineation of order alterations and impact. Power to manually alter the schedule. Swift capacity changes. Actionable method for developing scenarios. Ready to optimize your production? Take the next step towards efficiency. PlanetTogether, your partner in optimizing machine shop scheduling.